how to install VMware Fusion on Mac M2, MacBook Pro, and Mac Intel. Whether you are using an Intel-based Mac or one with Apple Silicon. What is VMware Fusion? It lets you run Windows or Linux operating system directly on your Mac, great for testing, development, or using apps not available for macOS. To install it, you need to follow the steps. In step 1, download VMware Fusion for Apple Silicon Macs. Go to the VMware Fusion Tech Preview page and download the ARM-compatible version. For Intel-based Mac, head to VMware's official site or trusted platforms like techsport.com and download VMware Fusion 13 or earlier. Once the DMG file is downloaded, open it. Drag and drop VMware Fusion into the application folder. Open the app and if prompted, go to System Preferences and select Security and Privacy and allow any necessary permission. On Intel Macs, you can use standard macOS, Windows, or Linux ISO files. On M1, M2 Macs, you will need the ARM version of Windows. You can download it from the Microsoft Insider Preview site. In step 4, follow the setup wizard, adjust RAM, CPU, and storage settings based on your needs. Complete the setup and you are ready to run another OS inside macOS. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this.